everybody. Welcome back to the Road to Percona Live. Today, we're here with Vinny and Gene to talk about their talks at Percona Live. Hi, Vinny. Hi, Gene. How are you doing today?
Hey, Matt. I'm good. Thanks for being here again and talking about Percona Live. I'm super excited to be back in person for this conference. So it's a huge pleasure to be here.
Yes.
Cool. Thank you for to inviting me, Matt. So it will be my first Percona Live in person. So I'm quite excited for that. So yeah, let's see.
Let the ritual hazing begin. Well, you have a couple of talks coming up, and one your co-speakers, and you are going to be talking about the MongoDB backup tool. So maybe tell us a little bit about what we'll learn during that particular talk.
Okay, I will start and then Jean can talk a bit about the physical part. So the backup for MongoDB already exists when we look for the traditional tools, such as MongoDump, MongoImport, MongoRestore, and Mongo Export. But the thing is, the problem with these tools that they are like you need to do it manually. There are points of contention, and for this there is the Percona backup tool, which is 100% open source, and it allows you to do logical and physical backups, and it provides more performance. You can do consistent backups on sharded clusters, which is a very good feature that most of people usually come to us asking about, and it's going to be a bit like this.
Yeah. Then we are also talking about the physical backup. So I don't know if I think it's a spoiler about the tool because currently PBM Percona backup for Mongo just runs logical backup, but the team they are working on the PBM2, which will come with the physical backup. So we are going to explain that and show to the audience the physical backup for Mongo. Nowadays, as Vinny said, we only relies on the logical side, which is slow and has its problem. But with the physical backup, we expect to not fix, but to improve the backup solution for Mongo, and then also increase the backup tool from us.
Cool. And yeah, I know one of the big things that happens with Mongo backup is the consistency between the clusters is super important. And that's one of the features and the things that PBM sets out to solve. You do want a consistent cluster. So we're glad that that tool is out in the open source space. Now, Vinny, you have a second talk number 2. Woohoo!
Yes.
Talk number 2 is MySQL 8 new features. So let me ask you, what's your favorite new feature in 8? And what are we going to learn when we talk or have you talk to us about that?
Okay, actually, I have two features that are my favorite on my SQL 8 version. And the first one is now you have the capacity of disabling the redo log, which like you can improve a lot the import time of logical restore tools such as Mongo, MyDumper, MyLoader, MySQL Dump, MySQL Pump, even MySQL Shell utilities. So like you can improve the performance for a couple of times more fast. And the second one, which many people usually likes and it's more touchable, is the instant algorithm for DDL operations. So certain operations now on DDL alter table will support algorithm equal instant. So it's going to be it's another improvement. It's less contention, less locks. We know what happens with a lot of locks. So yeah, it's the two great features that I'm planning to talk about.
Great. Great. And so we hope everyone out there is going to join us. So now Gene and Vinny are going to be there. They're going to be talking about all these things and more. They're also available for autographs, selfies, and you can buy them drinks. So we'll leave it with that. Vinny, favorite drink that they can buy you at the bar? Is it going to be a nice beer? Or is it going to be something a little harder?
Well, it can be a nice beer, but you can invite me for a shot of tequila. And
Okay.
one thing, Matt, is that I am taking the Learning MySQL book to Percona Live, which is someone is in case is interested and learn a bit more about our experience at support. We will be there for a signing session.
Okay, so you get a signature and a shot.
Yes,
that's what I heard.
Correct.
Yeah, signature and a shot. Gene, anything that they can bring to you? Because evidently we're bringing shots and signatures to Vinny.
Okay, yeah, Vinny is the rock star here. I'm just a normal guy. I mean, regarding beers, it can be as a good Brazilian, can be a caipirinha or just a normal beer. So yeah.
Okay, all right, fair enough.
Okay.
See, now we have your favorite beers, and we know that you're signing autographs, taking selfies, being out there with the people, getting excited. So awesome. Well, we hope you join us at Percona Live, and we'll see you there in person.
Thanks, Matt. See you guys. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you.